Match the same letters. मिलते जुलते हरूफ मिलाइए. Dear children, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn to match the same letters. अब हम मिलते जुलते हरूफ को मिलाना सीखते हैं. This is small letter I. Now we search small letter I in the second row. J, L, N, I. Yes, this is small letter I. So we match the both small letters I. This is small letter J. J is the first small letter in second row. So we match both small letters J. This is small letter K. Now we search small letter K in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q, O, M, K. Yes, this is small letter K. So we match both small letters K. This is small letter L. Now we search small letter L in the second row. J, L. Yes, this is small letter L. So we match both small letters L. This is small letter M. Now we search small letter M in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q, O, M. Yes, this is small letter M. So we match both small letters M. This is small letter N. Now we search small letter N in the second row. J, L, N. Yes, this is small letter N. So we match both small letters N. This is small letter O. Now we search small letter O in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q, O. Yes, this is small letter O. So we match both small letters O. This is small letter P. Now we search small letter P in the second row. J, L, N, I, P. Yes, this is small letter P. So we match both small letters P. This is small letter Q. Now we search small letter Q in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q. Yes, this is small letter Q. So we match both small letters Q. This is small letter R. Now we search small letter R in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R. Yes, this is small letter R. So we match both small letters R.